Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your major so that whatever you're changing your major to shows up on your DVC InSite portal and on your student planning. So you'll log on, go to the DVC website at www.dvc.edu. Then you'll click InSite. Next you'll click on the box that says InSite Login Here. For the profile, you'll select Student. Then it brings you to the username login. So your username is typically the first letter of your first name and your full last name and then the last 3 digits of your ID number. The password is whatever password you created when you logged in and made your username and password. And then if you forgot this, you can have it reset. Just do forgot password or change password. You are going to come to a page that has a bunch of different tiles on it and selections. Select the tile that says graduation. It's this red one here with the graduation cap. Then you're going to pick change my major. All right, then you'll see the different choices here. So it's going to be manage your primary major. Your primary major is going to be whatever you selected when you did the application to DVC. What you can do is if you are getting financial aid and you want to choose a financial aid eligible major, you can click this check mark here and then it'll only show the majors that are eligible for financial aid. So I'm going to do that right now. And then it'll bring all the different majors. So there's a drop down menu here with all the different majors. And if you look, it'll say what type of major it is. So this AST is an associate's degree for transfer and biology for transfer, or a CA is a certificate of achievement in business transfer. So you are just going to look for whatever major you want. So I'll do business. And then you will click on change primary major. One thing to keep note of is the majors that are listed are majors that DVC offers a degree or certificate for. So for example, DVC does not have a nursing major, but we do have an associate's degree in allied health. If your major is a major that DVC doesn't have a degree for, that means that you will just be taking the prerequisite major courses at DVC. So what you do there is you pick the major that's closest, or the primary major that's closest to whatever your transfer major is. So if I was a nursing major, I would pick allied health because allied health degree has basically all of the nursing requirements. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.